Luxury design is often defined by confidence, clarity, and the willingness to leave space untouched. Today, how to design elegant luxury frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a warm white background and keep the design intentionally minimal. Insert one large rectangular frame slightly off-center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject feels balanced and prominent. Duplicate the frame and move the copy behind the original. Enlarge it slightly and lower its transparency to create a soft layered border effect. Add a thin geometric line